Today, I'm going to be showing you how to install Microsoft Office onto your desktop or your laptop. So right now I've got Google Chrome open and I'm going to type in http://webmail.caluniversity.edu. And then from here, you're going to type in your email address for CIU and your password. So now we're in our CIU email. Over here at the top left, you're going to see 3 rows of 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that. And to the right of that, we're going to see Office 365 at the top. We're going to press on that. Then you see from here, it takes us to Office. We're going to go right over here to the right and press Install Office. And we're going to select Office 365 Apps. All right. And then you're going to see down at the bottom, we're going to go ahead and click on it to run it. You're going to press yes that you allow it to install. And you're going to see it on that screen for a few minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and pause until the end. It could take up to about 10 minutes to install. All right, so it should take about 10 minutes, and from here you see that everything got installed, so we're going to press close. Now we're going to go right over here to the bottom left. I'm going to click on the Windows bar, and you'll be able to see your new Microsoft apps like Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, and then down here we're going to have Microsoft Word as well. So I hope this video was helpful, and I hope everybody has a great day.